Two things on that one. Number one, flywheel key. Verify that you didn't shear the key. If you had that flywheel off, you may not have got it in quite tight enough, and you might have sheared it and your timing is out. So while you do have spark, it's not happening at the right time. Second thing, what I would do in that case, especially when it's flooding out like that, is either disconnect or pinch off the fuel line and then try and start it. If you can get it to start and run until it runs out of fuel, you know your problem is in carburation. I would throw a compression gauge at it too as well, because it won't hurt to check. Anything, above 120 is going to run not bad. Anything below that is going to get harder to start, and below 100 you're not going to get a start out of it. But being you got everything new there, you should be seeing 150 plus. My leaning on that one would be towards one of the first two things though.